Hi guys, beautiful people, welcome again to another vlog. Guys, I'm always coming with my bed face. I know my last vlog I did the same thing and now I'm doing the same thing. Pardon me, forgive me, it's not easy. It's not easy. So I'm back home now. I'm at home, back from my parents' place. So I just want to do a little unpacking the things that we used in my parents' place. And while I was away, I washed my children's clothes before going, and the clothes rack is over there. I need to do that. I need to arrange their clothes. Tomorrow is resumption. Like, guys, parents, sorry for this noise. Oh, like my background is very noisy. Sorry for that. I think some people are praying outside. I think so. So resumption is tomorrow. Parents in the house, you have children in school. How do you feel? Are you happy about it? Personally, me, I'm excited though. Like, I'm excited. Let them go to school. Their teachers are trying. Like, teachers, kudos when they try. Your reward should be here, not only in heaven, no, sincerely. So tomorrow is resumption. I need to make Jania's hair. Jeremy also needs to have an haircut or a haircut. He needs to cut his hair sharp. Then I've done the major food prep. I have stew. I'm just going to make rice tomorrow morning, and maybe beans. I don't know. Maybe rice, beans, and stew, or come in, or just rice. I don't know yet, but I'll decide over the night. Then what else? Just to make Jania's hair, I think so. Iron their uniform, and we're good to go. Let me go answer these children. Mommy this, mommy that. I'm calling it too.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll try to fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but I'll fix it. Love, I wanna be strong. We're doing wrong, but we'll change it. I would like to tell you mine and my streets. I would like to go with you into the street. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, I wanna be strong.
This is my Jeremy's before. My son is about to go have his hair cut. This is his before. He's so excited. This is his before. Wait for it. Wait for it. After. Let's see your style. Let's see your style. Oh, see baby. Okay. I don't really like this record this time, Shao. The last one was fine, but it's okay. It's my husband. Guys, this is my husband now. I was in my parents' place, so I called him. I said, check this the result envelope, whether they have assignments. My husband said he did not see any assignments. Hey God. Now I'm back and assignments. Now so a full. Assignment full. Guys, guys, my husband is the funniest human being ever. Do you know that? I asked this man, check this children's book, whether they have any assignments. He checked though. My husband said there's no assignments. And I'm finding out now that Jeremy has not done his assignments. So we have to do it this night. And I've been saying it to check their book. And I said check. And he said he didn't see any assignment. Now I just checked it and I'm seeing assignment. We just finished Jania's own right now, as in rush work. Which kind of language is this? This man, whether they know they see you, I don't even know. I just finished Jania's assignment. We did it together. I took this one to my parents' place. I took this, no, the other one. That is this one to my parents' place. I took it. So we did this English one. We did mathematics one. Oh, my husband said you don't see any assignments. Hey God, oh, this man never keep person. So we had to just do rush work. Like, thank God I even saw it though. If I did not see it now, that's how we go to school and the teachers will be looking at me somehow like one unserious mother. Guys, I'm back from work. I went to work and I just came back. See what I want to the office today. Check out my outfit. There's nobody in the house to help me to video, so just manage what you're seeing. So I'm back, and I'm pretty much tired. I just want to sit down, relax, and chill. I've gone to pick my kids. Woo. They're in the room watching cartoon. I'm so tired. So guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Thank you for stopping that. And I will make sure to keep my consistency, okay? Just expect more from me. I came with makeup today, thank God. At least I try. There's no light, so there's so much heat. There's no light. It's our Nigeria. God will help us. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to like, share, and all that good stuff, okay? So till my next video, I love you guys. Thank you for watching.